美总统川普伫台湾时间早起10点发表着第二任期第一份的国情咨文。川普讲将近108分钟，历任的总统都是伊这届讲上久。
美国总统川普伫众人欢喜发休行入国会大楼，发表伊第二任期的头一份国情咨文。川普要借这边的机会向选民报告伊的政绩，来挽救国内民调落起的情势。
Think of it, much less than $1 trillion for 4 years versus much more than $18 trillion for 1 year. What a difference a president makes.
川普头一摆提起经济和民生议题，先考试拜登之前无外国企业想要投资美国。 刷力拼夹击减轻国内房贷压力，取消这部含加班费扣税，同时含摇手谈判大降低额外绩效，互民众生活压力降低。啊，若上敏感的关税问题，在座有4位大法官到3位认为川普关税违法，坐伫咧头一排。川普虽然立场的时有含义，也就底气，不过共款伫咧演说内底当因的面大力甲结。
And then just 4 days ago, an unfortunate ruling from the United States Supreme Court. It just came down. It came down. Very unfortunate ruling. But the good news is that almost all countries and corporations want to keep the deal that they already made, right, Scott? Knowing that the legal power that I, as president, have to make a new deal could be far worse for them. And therefore, they will continue to work along the same successful path that we had negotiated.
伫外交方面，川普嘛符合外界期待，伫咧演说内底讲到伊朗核武的威胁。
One thing is certain: I will never allow the world's #1 sponsor of terror, which they are by far, to have a nuclear weapon. Can't let that happen.
CNN 分析川普这摆国情咨文有关年底其中选举的选情。川普这摆演说嘛是为过去到今演讲时间上久一摆。川普学了家己的政绩，捍卫政绩正当性，选民敢听会做，和民调有关，大家拢等咧看。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。